Hi everyone, welcome to Share the Magic, and today I have a very special unboxing for you guys. So without further ado, let's see what I got. Ta-da! I just got this giant box in the mail and it's full of goodies, so let's see inside. The number one item is, ta-da! Look at this cutie, so adorable. He's out of the box. He's so cute. Look at that. I have a mini version of him, which we just showed in the merch haul from Disney World. And now he has a big brother. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. I think the main scent is like at the bottom. Oh yeah, I feel like that's where they put the thing. But yeah, look at that cinnamon bun. I got this cutie for $14 because Disney has annual pass discount, 30% off on top of the discount they already had for little munchlings. So yeah, that was definitely a very successful purchase. I'm happy about that. Let's see what else we got. Ta-da! This is one of my favorites. Look at him. Baymax looks so cute. Here we have Baymax. Look at him. So adorable. I like him. He's so cute. He looks like a little s'more. Oh yeah, he smells good. I like it. I have also a mini version of him, and apparently when we were there, Disney also dropped another big one, which is like, what, I think it was $60. I'll put the picture somewhere here, but I think this one is the cutest because he's so fluffy and so cute. Look at that. But I do like that one, so who knows, maybe if it's on sale I'll pick it up too. Yeah, $14. Like I said, annual pass discount, 30% on top. Definitely worth grabbing. Next up we got this 3 limited edition munchlings. Let's see which one we got. First one we have is this orange bird for Flower and Garden Festival. Let's see. I didn't even know they had limited edition until I saw it on the website. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh, I don't think it smells. Oh, it doesn't have a scent, but it's so cute. And I like how it comes with a little sauce in there. Look how cute it is. Oh, I like that. It's really cute. Second one we got is Figment. He was for Festival of the Arts, which unfortunately I couldn't attend because I was still in New York and we came late. So I'm glad I could get this one online on sale. That's actually nice. Oh, he smells like blueberries. He's cute. Oh, it's so cute. I like that one. It's adorable. So cute. I'm gonna say so cute so many times, so I'm very sorry about that. But yeah, look at that. Here's last but not least. Here we have Daisy. I think she was a limited edition for the opening of Toontown. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments because I'm pretty sure that's what it was about. But yeah, I had to get her because she's super cute. Let's see if she smells. She does smell. Oh, I like that. Here we have little Daisy. Super adorable. Oh, she smells so good. She smells like strawberries, I think. Cheesecake Daisy Duck. Triple berry. So she's supposed to smell like triple berry, but I think she smells like strawberry. But I'll take any. Triple berry sounds good too. Look at that. Super adorable. Yeah, so I got the 3 limited edition munchlings on sale. Next up we got is swim trunks. Brandon got them. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, these are nice. Look at that. Has Goofy, Mickey, Donald. Super adorable. I like that. Pluto. This is cute. This is pretty nice. Look at that. I mean, it was on sale, so definitely a good pickup. Brandon's gonna be really happy. Yeah, I think it was like $20. I'm gonna put the price right here, but like I said, 30% off. Disney giving annual pass discounts, such a treat because normally it doesn't really happen because the only time you can use it, it's in the park and it's only 20% off. So 30% online. I think it ends at June 30th, so definitely check it out and hurry up because they do have some good stuff you can get, even statues. So check it out. Next up we got is, ta-da! This is Cuddles series and this is Figment. Here we have little Figment. Look at him. He's so cute. He's so fluffy.
I'm trash.
Oh, I like this one. He's pretty big. Like, look at the size. Look at that. Look at the cute little face. It was on sale too. Has little wings at the back. Oh, it's so adorable. I like that. I have a bunch of toys from this collection. I like that they sleep in and they look so cute. Look at that. Yeah, definitely check it out because Figment was sold out for a while and they brought him back on the website. And we had to pick it up because we love Figment. Ta-da! And the last thing we got was this gorgeous Mulan statue, which was actually designed by my favorite artist. I will put some prints he has, and I'm still trying to hunt them down. If you have them, let me know. Or if you know where to find them. But yeah, look at Mulan. She's absolutely stunning. I love this scene in the movie. So gorgeous. And I got 30% off. So that was a steal. Look at all the details. Super nice. The quality is actually really good too. Some parts have like a little bad paint job, like let's just say on her arm, on her hand, but to be fair, you can't really notice it if you don't look up close, so I'm not too upset about that. But yeah, Mulan looks absolutely gorgeous, and she's gonna go together with my Tinkerbell and Ariel. You can see it right down there. Video actually comment about them too, so stay tuned. Mulan looks gorgeous. Really happy about that. That was it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video because I absolutely did. I love everything we got. It was on sale, 30% off, so definitely check out this annual pass discount. And actually check out the video we did about annual passes and why it's worth getting them. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like and comment down below, would you get any of this stuff? Do you have any of this stuff? Do you collect munchlings? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe because it does help the channel a lot and we do appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much for all your support. And as always, don't forget to share the magic. Bye!